I did not bother recording. Ended up catching the jackpot on the Red Hot Ruby. Alrighty guys, this is the aftermath. It only spun 3 times before it landed this. My phone is about to die, so I'm just going to hit the max bet all the way through. Hopefully something happens. If not, I got a jackpot. I'm good with it. That'd be crazy if I hit it again. So disappointing though. Every time I record something, don't happen. But when I do record something, when I don't record something happens. Should have went red. Come on. Come on. Just give me a red screen. Come on, right here. Please, son. Can I double my money? I only put $100 to begin with, guys, so if I can do a double up real quick before my phone dies, I'd be so happy. At least get one red screen in here. That's all I'm asking. One red screen. Oh. I think I took all the red screen off of this machine. Hitting a jackpot like that. I kid you not, man. I was on this machine with less than 2 minutes it kicked in. The jackpot did. Yeah, I'm so sad though, guys. I didn't bother catching this live. My phone is about to die, so come on. Either double me up or just take my money. Oh my goodness. Right here. Give me one quick second, guys. Alright, sorry guys. I had to get my money real quick. Alright. Hopefully you can get a red screen. Come on, baby. Let me double my money. Ooh, something. Go red. Ooh, please, something. Look at that bingo card. Anyways, this is a good one. Still didn't want to go red. Yeah, pretty much. Let me go bet 20. No, thank you. That was the worker. Gave me a thumbs up. That was awesome. Oh, man. All right. Come on. Jeez, bro. Not even one simple red screen after my jackpot. Something right here. Come on, Cherry. It doesn't matter. I put $100 in, end up getting like 1,250 bucks. That could have went red though. I was hoping I'd get my double up with that well too, but I guess it doesn't want me to get the double up. And last spin for the day, guys. Well, actually, I got one more spin after this. And that's it. Still, I got a jackpot off of this machine. Good times, baby.
Where'd you go?